Today we're going to look at remote controlling another computer. First thing we're going to do is click on the Start button and then go to Settings. Pull down to Remote Desktop and click on that. Let's toggle it to On and click the Confirm button. You want to make sure that your user account has access. So we're going to click on Remote Desktop Users, and then it looks like root already has access, but we're going to go ahead and add it in there anyways just as a demonstration. We need to find out the IP address of the computer in order to connect to it remotely. To do that, we're going to click on the Start button and go to the command prompt. You can get there by typing in the letters CMD. You're going to type the command ipconfig, IPCONFIG. That's going to give us an IPv4 address, and that's what we're going to enter into the remote desktop application on our other computer that we are accessing this one from remotely. We will enter that IP address, click on Connect. It's going to prompt us for a username and password. We will go ahead and enter that. Click Yes on the certificate warning that pops up. As you can see, the desktop was signed out on the other computer, but now we have access to it remotely. Since this is not a Windows server, only one user can be logged in at a time. I will demonstrate that here. If somebody is sitting at the PC and logs in, it will disconnect your remote session. It doesn't matter if the person sitting at the computer logs in with the same user account you are remoted in with, or if they log in with another account. Either way, a Windows workstation can only have one active session at a time.